this video we are going to see where to log into the portal and how to make changes in the intro page which we have created for your course. So this is a portal where we will be hosting the contents like videos and assignments. The URL is onlinecourses.nptel.ac.in. So once you go to the portal, there will be a login tab. The user ID and password for your course has been shared with you already. So you will be searching for your course. Go to all running courses and search the course. So I am searching for a course project planning and control. Here you can see the course and just click on that course. So log in with the user ID and password whichever shared with you. So once you join into the course, you will be seeing the course dashboard. Once you log into the course, there will be a tab like course dashboard. Once you click on the course dashboard, you will be seeing the back end of the course. So this will be the course dashboard. Here we have added the video contents, hence there are contents listing over there in the dashboard. Otherwise this page will be looking blank. We will be uploading a basic demo videos for the portal on how to access the home page, course page and assignment sections on the portal for the students. So here on the left side you can able to see the settings. Under settings you will be having a tab course. So we will be giving all the basic details here. So there will be a tab admin emails. Here you will be having the email ID of your admin account, that is your user ID and NOC admin ID. This is a common ID which we will be adding for all the courses. If in case if you are changing the password of your course, we need access for downloading the videos and for some other purpose, so that we will be adding an admin ID in common for all our courses. So in case you need to add your TAs as an course admin, you can add it here by comma separated. You can give the email ID of your TA. In this case I am giving my ID Lakshmi at NPTEL. So in this way you can add your course admin IDs. So the whatever ID you are adding in the admin email will have full rights of admin account. So be careful on adding the IDs in the backend. So we'll be putting the intro page content for your course basically, and we'll be sharing the user ID and password with you. So in case if you want to make any changes to the intro content, such as about the course intended audience or about the instructor, course layout, so everything, if you want to make any change, you can do this under settings course, and then you can see the abstract here. Here you will be seeing here there will be three tabs, like this is a text version and this is the HTML version, and third one this in this tab you can able to see the preview of the content whichever you have uploaded here. So here you can make the changes of your content. So basically we will be giving all the details for the exams and all the course details, basic course details here. You can check the course details here, and in case if you found any mistake, you can change this over here.